So, hello. Today we are in a park called. Came here to eat a Russian MRE, meal ready to eat, or it's like military Russian. So it's basically a 24-hour pack, and we have to eat it today before it's expired. Today, so we have it here. First of all, we have some. This is our Russian MRE. Yes. So let's see what we have here. God. We have some leakage. So it says, I think it's a beef stew. We have a lot of mosquitoes here, so let's see what we have inside. Okay. Oh wow, they have matches too. Smell a little bit weird. So we have here, this is the main course. I think it's.
Tell me what is it?
It's a frikadelki is говядины. I think it's a meatballs. So it's a meatballs. Then you different way to warm it up. Then we have a cookies. This is, I think, pastel. It's a chocolate chocoladno orejowy. I think this is like a Nutella, something like Nutella. We have ikra. Oh, I love this. This is like it's like zucchini or vegetable pastel. Then we have a matches. Some special matches. And I think this is a dry fuel. Yes. And we have here tea, sugar, and different other stuff. So we're gonna try it. Okay, so we're gonna make some tea. Okay, where's the matches? Yeah. That's so cool. Yeah, it's burning. I think we have to eat the main course. This thing. I think you can eat it cold or warm. They said you warm it up for instruction later.
Maybe you can put this thing on the...
Now first we're gonna make tea. What kind of tea do we have here? Maybe it's coffee also. Maïski. It's a black tea. Yeah. We have a sugar. This is salt, spoon, this is coffee, adapto. No, I think this is cerveza. I think this is like a bueno. I think this is like it's like and this is cerveza. It's good.
1 to 10, what do you think? Okay, give me one.
It's a random food. What do you think? Why did it die? Still working.
Tastes like baby food.
Mm-hmm. Let's see, what is it? Meatballs bouillon, or like meatballs in the sauce.
How do you say it in Russia?
Котлетики. Мячики. Let's see. Like, I wish if there was like something with it, like potato or rice.
One to 10?
The meat is good. No, it's good. I like it. So this is the chocolate. It's like Nutella. So good. Thick. Nice. And our tea almost ready. So we have our tea here. One more.
Oh, this is nice. Did you have any sugar in it?
A little bit, one.
Oh, okay.